Yes, again, my fans, we like to cook food, natural food. Greens today, cooking greens, callaloo, aka like spinach in America, Jamaican spinach, this callaloo. Stamina Dan, me know say you love your veggie. Welcome everyone. Thanks to my latest subscriber them, Welcome to Kojak what? Country. Why else? Not finish it. Well, this is some food, natural. Look there. My fans, Lassie. OMG cornmeal with a lot of chicken parts in it. I tell you, man, what a famous dog. Give him raw meat. Well, take a look at this colorful dish now. The greens, them, my fans. Wow, wow, look at the carrots, my fan. You have the garlic, the scallion, the thyme. They call it green onion in America. The scotch bonnet pepper, the onion, the pop chow. This is pop chow. I mean, it's a callaloo. Oh, I thought I was gonna do the callaloo, but to change your mind and do callaloo along with the pop chow. Two things are combined together, Callaloo and pop chow. I don't know if any other person have ever done it this way, but Kojak is always innovative with me cooking. That's Cindy. Some people not see Cindy for a good while. See Cindy sleeping there. Cecile, miss your cottage in, miss your loved one, miss your stamina Dan, Stone Breezy, Dana, all of the fans. I don't know what happened to Barbara in Australia. Hope she's alive. Like when you don't leave comment on the video, man, you must press like the thumbs up, Even when me write something on my YouTube, me like when my fans them give me a like on it too. Like for instance, if me say welcome to Kojak Country Lifestyle, everyone, like when you give it a thumbs up also. And sometimes other people can give other people comment a thumbs up too, Like for instance, Stamina Dan can give Catechin a thumbs up and her comment. Likewise, Catechin do the same, Cecile. The same one big family, we say. Kojak Country Lifestyle is a nice channel. Remember if you tell your friends them about this channel. I need 20 more subscribers to reach our next target. 20 more, help me to find 20 more. As old Donald Trump would say, I just need 20 more votes. I just need 20 more votes. Well, I need 20 more subscribe to scale up to a certain number. So me working in certain numerals. Move it from our next level to our next level. It's great to have you, my fans. Great to have you here on Kojak Country Lifestyle YouTube channel. First, I have to big up a very loyal new subscriber. Her name is Petri. CVM family, we always been watching. Big up yourself, Petri. I think you're in Florida. You can leave a comment when you watch the video. And remind me if it's Florida you are here, just go in the comment section and remember to hit that the like button and the bell also, that's you don't miss out none of my video them. Big up Petri. Yes again, look, while I'm cooking the vegetable and fish, the cat them enjoying themselves. Remember I'm the one ginger that one died. So it's these two leave along with Cindy. Unfortunate situation, it reached that other cat. So these ones spread out and enjoy and loving. That's how people should live loving. Human beings shouldn't be fighting against each other, but we are killing and hate one another. Why can't we take a pattern of these animals? God never created us to be killing each other, robbing and hurting. Love, live good, loving, be kind and gentle, man. That God will smile with us. In cat, that's how we should live good. Tell the people themselves, you put down all them little foolishness about we are rob and kill and do wicked thing. Yes, my fans, To save time, I was so busy doing a lot of stuff, you know, cutting up coconut, boil all oil and so forth, doing a lot. So I'm finish up my little cooking now, steam down. Cause you know fish and vegetable easy if it's steam down, you know. So Coach Jack Country Lifestyle do that. Please take a good look and remember to give the video a thumbs up, like and subscribe if you are new. Need 19 more now. 19 more subscribe to win the election. Take a look, my fans. It's steamed with all the coconut milk. You see coconut milk and that fish. Good snapper fish. Stamina done. Paul it fine UK. Mouth watering something. Dana. Big up on yourself. Catty Chin. Love one. Cecile. So me share out some there for me fans them. Stamina done. Look the youth. Good stuff, you know. Natural country food, my brother. All of my family, them. Stone Breezy, them. Ghana, Philippine people everywhere. UK, Australia. Welcome to Jamaican cooking. All of my Yankee friend, them. American friend. And look at it. Cindy sleeping, you know. Cindy have a good feast a while ago. So Cindy take life easy like Thursday evening. Let us come together like how these cats live good. If you appreciate Coach Jack Country Lifestyle YouTube channel, see if you can share this video at least 5 to 10 friends. Do the same Stamina Dan. Don't be ashamed. Cecile, if you have any friend you can share, make them watch the video here too. Tati, same thing. Stone Breezy, share video down in Ghana. Pauline in the UK, share the video with your family them. Love one, me know say you can't manage because you're not feeling too well, you know. Man, sorry about your illness, you know. Yes, you're saying hello? Tell the people they must live good. Right. Better living we need, you know, more unity. That's the charcoal. Really eat my fans that cook my food. Again, sending love and high energy, good vibration, good meditation to all of the people who watch this video, you know, make we come together and live in more unity, me say. Natural living, you know, in God's way, man. So we get more blessing, you know. So big up to yourself and your family and your friends them and your loved ones them. Coach Jack said that. Big up yourself, King Yellow Man. Alright, legendary King Yellow Man.